Social Media Content Manager. Don't confuse this with social media advertising. With content management, you charge people a monthly fee in order to edit, create, and moderate all the content on their social media accounts. As a content manager, you'll use your clients' ideas and raw footage to create content that's more appealing. It could be as simple as making a girl's butt look bigger, or it could be simply editing the shadows and colors in an image. You could also be held responsible for editing videos of raw footage that's sent to you. To go about the editing, you could hire someone on Upwork or Fiverr that will give you bulk discounts for editing many images and videos. Once you've found the third-party editor, you're all set. All you have to do is convey whatever your client wants to your third-party content editor, and that's all. Now you'll be uploading edited content to your client's social media, and all you have to do from there is write creative captions, which you can also hire someone else to do. If possible, I suggest learning how to write good captions on your own so you could save some money at this step. Now let's break down the numbers. For this type of job, you could charge prospective clients anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month. And yes, there are people that will pay this. Think about it. If you're a busy person that has a lot going on in your life, will you really have time to edit and upload content to Instagram? I don't think so. People who know social media know that the only way to grow it fast and efficiently is to hire a content creator and manager who will keep things fresh and appealing. Let's say you charge $500 a month for this service. You give around $200 or 40% to your third-party content editor. The rest of the $300 you're keeping for yourself. Your only real job will be to upload content in a timely manner and write captions. That's it. You could gain your initial clients by making a listing on either Fiverr or Upwork. After you get the ball rolling, you'll get clients through word of mouth. If you have just 20 clients paying you $500 a month, you'll be making $120,000 per year. Not bad if you ask me. Event merchant. For this one, you'll have to go to some type of large event such as concerts, music festivals, parades, and so on. What you'll do here is render some type of necessary service to the event goers, whether it's selling them food, water, merchandise, or some other type of service. The key here is to provide a service that no one else near you is providing. Let's say you live in Miami and Ultra Music Festival is right around the corner. You check the forecast for the weekend the festival will be held and notice it's gonna be a scorcher. Now you're thinking, what can I possibly sell that will be in demand at this type of event? One idea is selling some type of cold drink such as lemonade, iced tea, bubble tea, or even pre-made smoothies. Here's how you'll execute. First, you have to find out where the event is, what the environment will be like, and what kind of people will be there. After finding this out, look into what types of services you are capable of providing to the people at the event. Once you find the service you want to provide, go ahead and arrange everything. Going back to the drink idea, the night before the event, go ahead and buy or make all the drinks and put them in a cooler. At the day of the event, be sure to get there before the crowds arrive and set up a simple table and sign. Here's a pro tip. Bring along an attractive lady friend in order to harness more attention. This sounds funny, but trust me, a pretty face sells. Basically, it all comes down to having an appealing display which gets attention. Now you're probably thinking, how the hell do I make money selling drinks? Good question. Let's say you pack up around 150 drinks for the day and you'll charge around $8 to $10 per drink. The key here is to overcharge on the service you're providing because let's face it, all event services are overpriced whether you like it or not. In the case that you're charging $8 per drink, you're making $1,200 gross after you sell out, which will happen quickly if you have an appealing display and good product. Even if you're netting just 50% of the gross amount, you're still making $600 for the day, which is very good. Things such as jewelry, fan gear, treats, and even bike rides from point A to point B will all sell well. Regardless of the service you provide, this is very profitable because people at events are willing to pay for whatever it takes to enjoy their experience, and you gotta use that to your advantage. Launch jacking. This is an interesting concept that I found several other YouTubers pitching lately. Basically, you'll use a website to find services or products that will be launching in the next week or so. Since companies are just launching these products, they'll want more people to aggressively promote them. As a result, they offer higher than usual commissions to motivate affiliate marketers to promote them. So what you'll have to do is make a video of yourself reviewing the product or service that is about to launch. It's better if you buy the product yourself and actually use it so you could give a more accurate and honest honest review, but you don't necessarily have to buy it. Making a video just talking about what it offers works fine as well. The main benefit of this, besides the higher commissions, is that there are little to no reviews on many of these services on YouTube or anywhere else. So when you make your review video and post it on YouTube, people will stumble upon you first when searching for the product reviews, since there's basically no other reviews to watch. Considering the fact that you'll have your affiliate link in the description, you'll funnel massive amounts of traffic through there. With a conversion of even 1%, you'll earn a ton of money. Now it's time to start pumping out quality review videos. To gain traction on the videos, make sure you optimize the title and description with relevant keywords for the product. In your video, be sure to avoid ranting and get to the point right away. If you don't know how to edit videos, get someone on Fiverr to do it for you. It's important that your presentation is on point, so you get people to buy what you're promoting. My last point of advice is to avoid sounding desperate. Just give an honest review and let the viewer formulate his or her own opinions. YouTube affiliate marketing. This is another interesting way you could potentially make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing. Long story short, what you'll have to do is find a trending niche on YouTube and make a compilation video pertaining to something people are searching for in that niche. Now let's say you're making a video about Fortnite, and quick disclaimer, I don't know about Fortnite. I'm too busy making money, guys. Anyways, for this Fortnite video, it's going to be a compilation of something dumb like top 10 ultimate Fortnite streaming fails, or something along those lines. Once you release this video, you'll want to follow up with several more videos of compilations about the different things in Fortnite or anything else that may be trending. My only suggestion is for you to try to make videos in the same niche, as it's going to be a lot easier going after a specific audience doing this. The whole purpose of these videos is not just to entertain gamers and waste your time making pointless leisure videos. The purpose is to get views and have viewers buy a product from you. You're probably thinking, what kind of product am I going to sell a bunch of avid gamers? Well, you're not going to be physically selling any products. You'll just be an affiliate for products relevant to the video you're making. Going back to the Fortnite videos, you could probably insert an affiliate link for a gaming chair or keyboard, and usually around 10% of the people watching the video will click on the link. And every time someone purchases the product using your link, you earn a small commission. It's really that easy. So let's say your Fortnite video gets 100,000 views and you get a very conservative conversion rate of 1.5%. Out of those 100k viewers, 1,500 will buy the product using your link. And if you get around $10 for every purchase, just like that you're making 15 grand. A lot of the times you're going to be getting a lot more than $10 per purchase, so keep that in mind as well. Becoming an affiliate for these products is easy. You can become an affiliate for Amazon, ClickBank, or any other websites that allow you to promote their services. The hard part will be getting to the point where you're getting hundreds of thousands of views on your videos, but it's very possible for trending areas. Do the following. Interact with similar pages by commenting on their videos within 5 minutes of them being posted. Do live streams of content to get more exposure. Leave your 2 cents or opinions and critique on other channels in the niche that are just starting out like you. Optimize your videos by using relevant keywords in both the title and description. Pay Instagram influencers in your niche to feature your content on their page and link back to your YouTube in their bio. Doing all these things will help you establish a solid channel, which you will use to funnel people to your videos and eventually to your affiliate links. The second hard part would be making the actual videos, so you'll have to put in a decent amount of time into learning how to make these videos in order to maximize your channel's potential. Remember, there's no such thing as quick money. All of these methods require your time and energy, but the payoffs are huge. Client to broker connector. This one is probably the easiest to do but still requires work. Brokers are people who bring clients to a company and sell the product the company is offering. People who bring the clients to the broker will get a percentage of the broker's profit, contingent on the deal closing. For instance, I was and still am an insurance broker, so I represent different companies to my clients and find them the best available insurance rates. As a result of my work, I charge clients a one-time fee for starting their policies with me. The fee can range anywhere from $200 to $2,000, depending on the size of the account. Sometimes I make deals with people where they bring me clients and I'll give them around 40 to 50% of the fee I charge the client. The person referring these clients is basically doing nothing but putting out a good word. If someone refers a client to me and I charge them a $1,000 fee, I'll pay around half to the reference person. So where am I going with this? You can make deals with different types of brokers in the insurance, real estate, and other industries in which they pay you 50% of the fees they charge in deals they close. Usually 9 out of 10 brokers will agree to work with you, as long as you come off as a good person. Now all you have to do is network with different people and refer them to the brokers you have deals with. You just have to make sure that these brokers are good at what they're doing. Otherwise, you look like a complete idiot. The way you could set all this up is heading onto LinkedIn and scheduling calls with different brokers and explaining to them what you have in store. If possible, you could also meet them in their office and let them know you'll be sending clients their way. Once you've established a good relationship with the broker, start sending clients their way. You could do this by networking with people in the gym, church, supermarket, or wherever. Have your coworkers and family go to your broker as well. You'll be making money on every single deal they close for you, and the whole process will be mostly passive. At one point, I was paying out my referral person $8,000 a month just for sending me commercial insurance deals that I was closing. That's crazy if you ask me. Regardless of the path you choose, there's a ton of ways you can make 6 figures a year. The best path for you to take is the experimenting path, where you try a few different things and see what works best. Doing a combination of these methods will definitely make you a millionaire, and eventually a billionaire. You'll just have to devote a ton of your time to make them work in the beginning, but once you get the ball rolling, it'll keep rolling for a very long time.